Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. For investment purpose, you can actually buy gold digitally using a mobile app like PhonePe. Actually, many people are not sure whether it is safe to purchase gold online. There is a lot of uncertainty surrounding with the concept of digital gold. I have shared the complete details in this video, like how to purchase gold online, what are the plans, how to choose the gold providers, how to sell, etc. Please watch this video till the very end. How to purchase gold online. First of all, open the PhonePe app. You will get the option gold, that is 24 karat under purchases. There are totally 3 options, like you can make one-time investment, monthly investment and daily investment. So here you can see buy one-time option. Click on this. From minimum ₹1 to maximum n number of amount you can invest at a time. You can buy in rupees or in grams. See, just by adding the amount, it is reflecting like how many grams of gold will be purchased. Once you are sure about the amount you are going to purchase, just click proceed. Here all the details will be shared, like weight of the gold, price and GST 3% will be applied. Yes, if you are purchasing the gold online, standard 3% GST will be applied. So excluding GST, the gold will be purchased. Next, you can make an investment in gold monthly. I will show how it works. Just click Start SIP. Here the minimum value is ₹100 to maximum ₹15,000. Once you enter the amount, how much grams of gold will be purchased will be shown here. Here you can select the date of your choice in a particular month where the amount will be automatically deducted from your account. Click Proceed. Important point is SIP will be active until it is cancelled. You can pause or delete anytime. You can also check in a calculator here by clicking See More, where it will show how much you will accumulate in the upcoming years. Next, without any burden, you can save daily. You can start investing with minimum ₹10 and maximum is ₹5,000. You can check the price breakup where 3% GST is included in the bill. So the gold will be purchased for the amount of ₹97. It has an auto pay setting where the amount will be deducted daily to invest in gold. Another important point is you can choose the gold provider from the below. Currently there are 3 providers, CaratLane, Safegold and MMTC. If you compare, there is a slight difference in the price of gold where the 3% GST remains the same. CaratLane gold price is bit higher as compared to other providers. As I checked, CaratLane is Tanishq partner which belongs to Tata Group. I find this provider is a better option as compared to others. Rest is your choice. How to sell your accumulated gold on PhonePe. You can sell the gold under Purchase section on your PhonePe app. Tap DigiGold under Gold section. Tap Manage your locker. Select Sell. You can sell the gold at minimum of ₹5 on PhonePe. Your gold will be successfully sold and the amount will be credited in your primary bank account within 48 hours. If for any reasons you are unable to sell the gold, you can raise the concern on app. Another important point to be noted is the price will not be the same when you are buying and selling the gold. The reason is when you purchase the gold, it will be inclusive of 3% GST, but when you sell the gold, it will be excluding GST and all other charges. There is an option where you can get the gold delivered at your home in the form of gold coin or gold bar within 7 to 10 working days from the delivery request date. मेरे ख्याल से I feel this is bit risky since you can sell the gold online itself and get the money credited to your bank account. Well, it has some constraints. When you buy gold digitally, you pay 3% GST on price purchase, which is non-refundable when you sell. Converting your digital gold to physical gold may involve additional charges, so it is better to sell online. Hope you got some valuable information from this video. Please let me know the other topics you would like to explore so that I can make a video of it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and kindly share and subscribe the video. I'll meet you soon in another one. Until then, see ya all.